Renowned Afrobeat singer Innocent Idibia, popularly known as Tumbaba, has refuted claims that he was arrested in London following an altercation with his wife Natasha. Now he had to come online to social media to address this issue after viral reports came out that the reason why his UK tour stop was cancelled was because he was arrested because he assaulted his wife. However, the singer said the reason he didn't turn up was for a health emergency and not a domestic issue at all. He actually questioned the authenticity of media houses who release information without verifying them. He said he was getting tired of the word allegedly, allegedly. Of course, this does not include the News Chronicle as we verify information before putting them out. He will be receiving his final sentence on the sexual abuse case he is currently facing. However, he sent a 4-page letter to Judge Aaron, who is presiding over the case, and he said he takes full responsibility and accountability for everything he did in the past. He also apologized to his ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura for the abuse, the sexual abuse, the emotional abuse, and physical abuse that she experienced while she was with him. He also apologized to another victim who testified and identified as Jane, who is also with child. He acknowledged his kids and asked the judge to temper justice with mercy as he would like to spend the coming years with his kids. However, he acknowledged that he knows he will have to live with the consequence of his actions. His lawyers are seeking for a 14-month sentence, which he has already served, while the prosecutors are seeking for a minimum of 11 years. However, Sean Diddy's lawyers have said this is outrageous for the crime which he has committed. However, it turns out we will be sure to post about it on our website, so be sure to check the news-chronicle.com. Also, like this video, share it with your community. Make sure to stay updated on emerging topics, and I will see you next time. I remain Esther Salami. Bye bye.